Hey EBAPH family, I'm Jen, I'm the practice manager, and I'm here to talk to you about the cost of vet visits because let's face it, they can be pretty expensive. So I want to make sure you have the right resources to make the best financial decisions for yourself. So let's jump right in. My number one tip is to call ahead whenever you can for treatment plans. Now, of course, this isn't always possible if it's an emergency or an urgent vet visit, but for those wellness visits or scheduled rechecks, give us a call and we can let you know what to expect. This helps us help you because if you're in a spot where you need to break up those expenses, we can make recommendations on what can be done now and what you can come back for in a couple weeks or months to kind of help break up services. Now, if you're in a situation where your pet is sick or having an emergency, or you simply just want to get that wellness visit all taken care of at once, a great option that is highly underutilized is Care Credit. So, Care Credit is a line of credit. However, you can only use it for medical expenses. They have a really awesome 6-month promotion where if you pay your full invoice in 6 months, you don't ever pay any interest. If you need a little bit more time, there's another option. It's a 24-month payback option, and it's a reduced financing rate. Care Credit also offers this really cool feature. It's called the payment calculator, and I'll leave a link for this. You can put in what the expected expense is for your pet's visit, and then it kind of calculates out for you what your best option is, how much per month you would have to pay, so that you can plan whichever option is the best for you. Another option that more and more people are taking advantage of is pet insurance. Now, pet insurance can be a little bit overwhelming, a little bit confusing when you're looking into it. There are a lot of different companies and a lot of different plans. So you definitely need to do your research to determine, does the plan cover only wellness? Does it cover only sick? A combination of both? Are there pre-existing conditions that my pet wouldn't be qualified for? So definitely a lot of research has to go into, pet insurance to make sure you're picking the right policy for you. Luckily, there's a really awesome website out there called policy.com. I'll leave a link for that. It allows you to compare side by side the different companies, different plans, and what they cover. So it'll help you make the best decision for you if pet insurance is something that you want to do. Policy.com also will give you side by side quotes. And it's also important to know that some pet insurances have you pay upfront and then reimburse you, and other pet insurances have a more upfront payment policy. I hope that these options are helpful to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can text, call, or email. We are always happy to talk about anything that you have on your mind, any concerns, any questions. So please reach out, and we'll see you next time.